Yo, Animal Fam! Looks like you're back for another Weird Animal podcast. Today's weird animal is the drumroll, please. Glaucus Atlanticus, also called the blue dragon. You've probably never heard of the Glaucus Atlanticus, and honestly, I hadn't either, until I started researching. You've waited long enough. Let's dive right into the world of weird creatures, Glaucus Atlanticus edition. Just like the name suggests, Glaucus atlanticus looks like a mythical creature. It has appendages that spread out like wings, getting shorter as they go down its body, giving the impression that it's mid-flight. Despite this, the Glaucus atlanticus, also known as the blue sea slug, is an ocean drifter. It spends its life being carried by ocean currents and the wind. Glaucus atlanticus floats on its back, with its bright blue belly facing the sky. This helps it camouflage from seabirds above. Its silvery gray underside faces the water, blending in with the sea's surface to hide from hungry fish below. Speaking of hungry fish, the main predator of the Glaucus atlanticus is the loggerhead sea turtle. But get this, cannibalism is also a common thing among Glaucus atlanticus. In some cases, one has even bitten off the head and trunk of another. Isn't that crazy? That's straight up sea slug murder, all for a snack. So, what do Glaucus atlanticus eat? They feed on venomous creatures because their bodies are immune to the venom. They absorb and concentrate the venom in their finger-like structures called serrata. That venom can be used on other animals, or even humans, and can be very dangerous. Their favorite snack? The Portuguese manowar, a venom-rich creature that looks like a jellyfish. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is the Glaucus atlanticus? Well, it belongs to the Animalia kingdom, which means it's an animal. Here's the full scientific breakdown. Its phylum is a mollusca, the second largest animal phylum, with over 100,000 species. Its class is a gastropoda. These animals usually have a large foot and tentacles. Its order is a nudibranchia, meaning it's a type of shellless marine mollusk, a sea slug. Its family is a Glaucidae, which includes other similar creatures like Glaucus benete. Fun fact, Glaucus is the name of a sea god in Greek mythology. That makes sense, right? The Glaucus atlanticus looks like a creature from legends. Glaucus atlanticus is usually found in the tropical waters of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. In recent years, they've also been spotted along the east and south coasts of Australia, as well as near South Africa. And get this, they were even found along the Texas Gulf Coast as recently as 2022. Scientists think this is because of climate change and rising ocean temperatures, which are altering ocean currents. Glaucus atlanticus are weird animals, but they get even weirder. They're hermaphrodites, which mean they have both male and female reproductive organs. But their eggs and sperm aren't compatible, so they still have to find a mate. This is pretty random, since they just float along the ocean until they bump into another Glaucus atlanticus. Once they mate, both slugs can lay strings of about 20 eggs at a time. They stick their eggs to driftwood, the remains of their prey, or any other floating object. The eggs hatch into larvae after about 3 days. Dang! Talk about information overload. The Glaucus atlanticus has so many wild facts. It's got to be the coolest and most interesting animal you have ever seen. Thanks for listening to Hollywood's Grade 5 Weird Animal Podcast. Peace out.